I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Say action when you're ready. Hi guys, today me, Lillian, is gonna draw with these super cool stuff. And you could get this big one and hold it. And then when you draw, the black comes out and color through it comes. Let's get started. So now I'm gonna draw something and you'll see the colors come out. So let's get drawing. I hope blue comes out right now. I just wish that. Oh, it's turning in green. What? It's rainbow. Cool, awesome. Now let's just color inside. Alright, now the sky's done. I'm just gonna do the circle with this little. So now I'm gonna draw the grass. You guys could draw whatever you guys want and you'll see the beautiful colors come out. Now I'm coloring this side. Oops, a black part, the one on my hand. So now I'm drawing the tree. Okay. Now I'm gonna move on to the bark and color it. So now I'm gonna do my house or your guys' house. You guys could draw whatever you guys want. Just want to draw the house, my house. Okay guys, thanks for watching and thanks for joining me. I had fun showing you my scratch pads. I hope you enjoyed this video. Join me next time and we'll do some other fun thing. I'll see you guys next time on another video. Bye.